What I like best about working at Southwest is just the people. It's a really people-centric place to work. That's what makes me want to come to work every day and do my best, because I love the people that I work with. We mainly were using it for SEC filings, but then, because within our SEC filings, we do collaborate with some of the other groups like investor relations, FP&A, treasury. They kind of started getting their feet wet with it too, and they started asking for demos. They started asking questions, and we as Workiva lovers, we were very happy to go out and give these other groups demos and present and kind of be subject matter experts in a way, and give them best practices and help them put some of their own processes into Wdesk as well. And we have a big internal packet. It's called our quarterly analysis packet. It's got charts, graphs, financial statements, verbiage, variance explanations. It's like a 100-page document. We implemented that in 2018, and it's been amazing. Everybody loves it. It replaced a completely paper process before.